Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off silent mode on iPhone. So there are two ways you can use to enable or turn on silent mode on your iPhone. You can use the action button and you can do this via the settings page. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first way you can use to turn off silent mode on your iPhone is via the settings page. So go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down the settings page, locate and click on Sounds and Haptics. Once you click on Sounds and Haptics, then locate ringtone and alert and make sure this is reduced to 0. Then disable change with buttons. So this will ensure that by pressing the volume down button or volume up button on your iPhone does not affect the ringtone alert on your iPhone. Then come to ringtone. Click on haptics and set your haptics to none. So make sure you set your haptics to none. And again, under ringtone, scroll down and make sure you select a very minimal tone. This is not necessary though. Once you've reduced the ringtone and alert to BRS minimum. Now to turn it on back again, repeat the process. Then you see silent mode off. Then come here and turn on change with button. So here you'll be able to adjust the ringtone and alert with your volume up button and volume down button. However, the easiest approach to turn on or turn off silent mode is use the action button on your iPhone. So on your iPhone, just go ahead, tilt the action button downward, and this is going to enable silent mode on your phone. You see that silent mode on. Now to disable the silent mode, just tilt it up again. You see ringer. Then to enable it, tilt it down and you see silent mode on. And then that is basically how to turn on and turn off silent mode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.